They're just moving like cable car. Oh, nice.
That's how they transport like heavy. You dekha?
This was a Kingfisher. Yeah. Kingfisher.
Oh, Kingfisher.
Oh, yeah. What's nice, sir?
वो ऊपर देखो
यहाँ पे होटल है और घर है उसका पूरा घर है विजय माल्या का अदर so you guys want to swim you can come here want to swim you swim here don't go far okay
old
you just have this rope and stay here
rope को hold करके dip कर सकते हो
oh the life jacket should be tight when I pull you it will come out the jacket should be tight if you want to jump I can jump now
yeah want to jump
So you have to leave your this thing here, right?
yes
like this
and your sparrow you can leave here
So I can just now dip?
yeah you can dip but you have to either hold on to the there are no like weird fishes that like bite and stuff right
no fish right come to that there's no fish
but no snakes or anything
no
no.
snake
Let's go! Oh dude, the movie not complete. No.
you can just be in the white water swimming position
Nah, I'm fine.
want to come inside
अरे हम सोचिए चश्मा खोल के जाना सोचिए चश्मा खोल के जाना
Yeah, don't go in there. No, I put my feet in and it's already
सोचिए
freezing.
चश्मा खोल के जाना
मैं
अंदर
जा ही नहीं रहा.
जाओ जाओ
नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही ठंडा है.
you can just
Good. That I don't mind. Swimming and all I'm not nervous about. It's the how cold the water
नो
is.
इट्स एक बार लगेगा
एक बार नहीं do is freezing. जा
हाँ जाओ अंडरवेयर तो पहले ही गीला हो गया और क्या गीला हो गया
हालत टाइट हो जाएगी अगर पूरे अंदर चलेगा.
I felt like it was all snow in my pants.
you can throw the fish
I like to swim.
लेकिन अंदर आपको मुंह खुलेगा ना इसलिए बोल रहा गले में अटक नहीं जा रहा जुबान और सुपारी खा रखा है
Don't try sir.
वो ठंड से एक बार वो होता है ना सुन रहे हैं ना पान खाया हुआ है आपका ध्यान से करना गले में अटके नहीं वो अचानक से
you can tie it here
No.
अब वापस डाइव
My bum is like, it's like, I think I got a burn or something.
ओके हाँ सचत लग गया
so do you see up there
Accurate.
Didn't hit my face.